Tonight, the powerful tremor set off a scramble in northwestern China. People running from homes and buildings into the frigid night. At the earthquake's epicenter, an all-out search for survivors. Videos and photos shared by Chinese state media showing people pulled from the rubble. At least 127 are dead and scores are injured. Local officials say nearly 5,000 buildings were destroyed. Freezing temperatures at high altitude, making rescue operations more of a challenge. China's earthquake agency said the trembler measured magnitude 6.2 at a depth of just 6 miles, centered in Jushashan, a remote and impoverished county along the Tibetan Plateau, an area where earthquakes are not uncommon, but this is the deadliest in nearly a decade. More than 300 aftershocks have followed, according to state media, thousands now huddling in temporary shelters and bitter conditions. With a cold wave gripping much of northern China, rescue officials say the next 48 hours are crucial, a race against time and temperatures to find survivors.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.